Today we will discuss why it is important to consider process monitoring in development projects. Typically, development projects relates to activities and inputs. Activities and inputs contribute to specific outputs and some of the outputs contributing to outcomes and thereby impact generated by the project. However, it is important to identify key processes and activities that relates to the process and monitor them. Why it is important to identify the processes? Because many a times it is always not straightforward in a social setting that achievement of outputs will contribute to outcomes and activities will also contribute to the outputs. Some outputs may relate to activities which may be related to another output. So there are cross cutting issues also while implementing development projects. First point is important to identify 4 or 5 processes and specify or define the process with steps basically and key activities that contributes to the process and how far those activities are carried out that need to be monitored. What would happen if you do process monitoring? Process monitoring at first place would contribute to sustainability of the development projects. The intended outputs or outcomes would continue and people will continue to do the practice that was promoted by the project. Second thing, it contributes to empowerment aspects of the project. Community empowerment is not always straightforward. Besides achievement of outputs, if we track the processes, it will definitely contribute to the empowerment of the household, groups or community institutions and community at large. These are two important aspects. One is the sustainability and other is the empowerment. Third aspects which helps while doing evaluation when we are trying to capture the learnings. If we concentrate more on the process, then there are chances that we will promote some of the best practices and capture learnings around such practices. So, key learnings would come if you do more and more of process monitoring. Hence, it is important to consider process monitoring in implementation of development projects. However, in general, it is get missed out while developing monitoring and evaluation framework and process monitoring being a difficult theme, it takes backseat while monitoring the projects. I hope I have clarified. Process monitoring contributes to sustainability. Process monitoring contributes to empowerment. Process monitoring contributes to capturing learnings while evaluating the projects. Thank you.